Hi guys, welcome to my Grow a Garden vlog. And this is my avocado plant right here. So let's start digging a hole. Sa Bisaya pa, magkubkub tag buho guys. So I'll be back. So guys, mauna na ang avocado plant. Ibot nga na stake para may nag first height niya. So let's go with the mango plant. This is my mango plant. It's pretty tall, so we'll start to go dig sa hole, then let's plant it. Okay. So I'm finally done with the mango plant or the mango sapling. So let's go on with my boongon plant. Hi everyone, I'm back. So let me show you my boongon fruit, or also known as the pomelo fruit in English. So let me show it to you. So here it goes, my pomelo fruit. So let's plant it. So as you can see, gibot nga no 5-meter radius of ang mga plants. Kaya mamaingon sa rule. So di man po motubo siya kung tapad-tapad rin sila. So ang plano asa ni siya i-plant dito dapita oh. So we all planted all 3. So yeah, we're done. Let's go.